charger, car battery chargers. So yeah, they're a good battery charger when your battery's going flat. We got mosquito zappers. These are a good charger. So what else we got? We got big sleeping bags in stock. Queen Comfort sleeping bag. So how is everybody doing? Test out this chair. These stools are a good stool. So what is everyone doing today? Test out another stool. These are a good stool. That's a good stool right there. What other stools we got? We got this stool here. A good stool. Whoa! Fell over on that one. Put that one back. Put that. This is a good stool. They're all good stools. This one folds up, look at that. Folds up pretty neat. Fairly small. Let me just fold it back up. So, how come I can't see what... anyone writing any comments? Can't really see the comment section. We'll have a look. So yeah, we got some good stools, we got some good lights too. What else have we got? Got some good Angle West cool bags. What's okay. So how come I can't see? Alright, so here we are, we've got some good stuff in this shop. So yeah, welcome. Oh, there we go. Oopsies. Welcome to come and check out this shop. Now let's go. I don't know why I can't read, I don't know why. Very annoying, I can't read the,